Researchers from the University Hospital and ETH Zurich have developed a machine that repairs injured human livers and keep them alive outside the body for 1 week. This breakthrough may increase the number of available organs for transplantation, saving many lives of patients with severe liver diseases or cancer. Until now, livers could be stored safely outside the body for only a few hours. With the novel perfusion technology, livers and even injured livers can now be kept alive outside of the body for an entire week. This is a major breakthrough in transplantation medicine, which may increase the number of available organs for transplantation and save many lives of patients suffering from severe liver disease or a variety of cancers. Injured cadaveric livers, initially not suitable for use in transplantation, may regain full function while perfused in the new machine for several days. The basis for this technology is a complex perfusion system mimicking most core body functions close to physiology. The corresponding study was published in the scientific journal Nature Biotechnology. The success of this unique perfusion system, developed over a 4-year period by a group of surgeons, biologists, and engineers, paves the way for many new applications in transplantation and cancer medicine, helping patients with no liver grafts available. When the project started in 2015, livers could only be kept on the machine for 12 hours. The 7-day successful perfusion of poor quality livers now allows for a wide range of strategies. For example, repair of pre-existing injury, cleaning of fat deposits in the liver, or even regeneration of partial livers. The inaugural study shows that 6 of 10 perfused poor quality human livers declined for transplantation by all centers in Europe recovered to full function within 1 week of perfusion on the machine. The next step will be to use these organs for transplantation. The proposed technology opens a large avenue for many applications, offering a new life for many patients with end-stage liver disease or cancer.